to my channel. This is my very first collaboration and I'm so excited. So a girl I met through Instagram and YouTube called Sakina. She's got an amazing YouTube page and a fantastic Facebook page called Terrarium and Crafts, and she makes terrariums, loads of other crafts as well, really cute crafts, great for families, great for kids. But I spotted a terrarium on her page and fell in love, and I was like, okay, firstly, we need to be friends, and secondly, yeah, I need to make one of these for Christmas because I absolutely loved it. I love the simplicity of it. Guys, this is so easy. It is ridiculous, but I just want to show you guys how easy it is to create an absolutely gorgeous centerpiece for your kitchen table, your dining table, your windowsill, your fireplace, wherever you want to put it. Absolutely gorgeous. So thanks so much to Sakina, because if it wasn't for her, I would have never found this idea. So yeah, I'm going to put her link to her page in the description box below, but check her out on Facebook as well. She's got a massive following on Facebook. So thanks again, girl. Let's get into the video. So you can put anything into your table centerpiece terrarium. I am using salt for the snow, and I'm also going to use some of that fake snow from Poundland that I got, just to give it that little extra glisten. Got these Christmas trees, they were £1 each, but the works are currently doing a buy one get one free. So, and that is of today. And I got this light up church for £3, and a couple of extra bits here. Snowman from Poundland, car with a tree on top, Poundland. So yeah, some gorgeous little bits. You can use absolutely anything you want. So the first thing you want to do is pour your salt in, or whatever you're using for the snow. I'm using salt because it's going to give quite a firm base for the things that I'm placing inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my package and pour it in. There might be quite a dust cloud when it comes to this. Yeah, okay. So that is how much salt I've put in there. So it's quite a bit of snow at the bottom. And then on top of that, I'm just going to sprinkle the fake snow. Just going to give it a top coat of that glisten. Oh, you can see it now, can't you? I'm not going to put too much of this in, but just enough to give it this gorgeous glittery glisten. So now, kind of want to level that out as well. Make sure it's pretty level. Then you want to just get your decorative pieces to put in. So remember what I said in the last video with these trees? You really want to give them a bit of a zhuzh them up a bit. So once you've got your trees zhuzhed up, you can go ahead and place them in your bowl where you want them. I'm going to go ahead with some little ones. Guys, I'm loving this already. I'm actually loving this already. And some baby ones around the side. Oh, winter wonderland, people. Winter wonderland. If only we got snow in London, then it would be extra special. I hope you can see how this is coming together. Okay. Then you just want to go in with whatever you're putting in. So you could, let me cut this label off. This is actually a tree decoration. I'm not using it for a tree decoration. You could just do that. Even that on its own, let me zoom in. Come on. Even that on its own for a table centerpiece, gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead now and try the church, and this is the little wooden one that I just got from the works today for £3. So I've turned the light on and we'll put it in there. Oh, that is gorgeous. Is that not gorgeous? Come on, guys. How simple is this? Come on. Okay, now I'm going to put in the Poundland tree decoration, which is a giant snowman. Absolutely, completely and utterly out of ratio with the church. But, you know, nobody really cares. So let me turn all the lights out and see this in all its glory. Wow. Guys, you need to be with me on this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to zoom in. Okay, I need to take the camera off and I need to show you how absolutely beautiful this is. You've got your forest, all of your trees in your forest, and you've got that church illuminating that glittery snow. Come on, I know you have to agree with this one. How easy and beautiful this quick, simple DIY is for your table centerpiece. I'm in love. Okay, lights back on.